So how to charge earpod with your iPhone? So for that you need to use this kind of charging cable. So just if I put it to my mobile, then you can see the light is turning on. See, my light is turning on. And the way, let's connect to it my phone first. Then once it connecting, then you can see my headphone option. And the way, go to setting and press on earpod, and you can see, let's connect it to my phone, and it's already full charge. That's why it's not showing actually. So once you insert like that, then your headphone will be charged definitely.